guys, it's my second day here in San Diego. I was meaning to go to Balboa Park and I took the bus number 215. I stopped, the driver dropped me, and somehow I ended up here near the kids playground, and I think that's like in the distance is part of the Balboa Park, but I don't know how to get there. I asked two girls, but they're also tourists, and they say follow this path. This is an adventure, yeah, and I love adventure. But what I don't like is I cannot, I somehow the internet on my phone is dead, and I still need to figure that out. I hope I'm not gonna be lost far away in the woods. So guys, if you're interested how my getting lost and my adventure today around Balboa Park, stay tuned guys, don't go anywhere. Okay, that guy said keep on following this road here, and he said I will end up at the waterfall. I'm sorry, I will end up at a fountain and some museum. Let's see guys where I'll end up. This is kind of exciting, and these adventures. So anyway, stay tuned with me guys. There's a bridge there. Oh my gosh. Oh, that building looks closer now. Huh. What a hike. So I'm arriving here guys at this building, and that bridge is behind me now, but I'm not sure where I am exactly. Oh my gosh, now I guess I know where I'm at. Oh my gosh, I am arriving at the what's the name? Ruben Fleet Science Center. Like last time I stopped, my bus stopped like across the street, and this time I think I stopped like 1 or 2 stops early, hence the lost. So yeah, this is the fountain. Oh my god, it looks so refreshing in this heat. So guys, that is Natural History Museum of San Diego. However, I'm not going there. I want to see the museum today, Museum of Art. Hopefully I still have time to go there, as it is now, I don't know, let me check the time. It's almost 4. So that is Prado. And I'll go this way to the Museum of Art. So actually guys, I just found out that there's Wi-Fi available here at Balboa Park. That's so good for a tourist like me. That is Casa de Balboa. Let's have a look. So Casa de Balboa also hosts a museum for photography and film. This is an awesome details. Look at all these grapes. Yeah, I'm arriving at this lily pond. Oh, they put the there's a line here so people don't cross. Apparently, I don't know, people did things. So now there is this line here, and that's the botanical building. It's closed now temporarily. I think it's for renovation. I mean, last year it was also closed here for pandemic things, and now for another reason. From Lily Ponds, I am continuing. Oh my gosh, now I see the museum of Art. So I'm just from the Museum of Art of San Diego in Balboa Park. So I'm gonna show you guys, like I'm right in the middle of Balboa Park, I guess. Like, so this is what's around me. So I'm heading to, I think that's a Japanese garden. I haven't been there. Last year I was like, I don't know, somehow I didn't go there. But now I want to see. gosh, shall I try going this way? So this is the Japanese Friendship Garden San Diego, not Japanese garden only. Let's see what it's about. I see. So this is like a theater. There are some couples doing the photo shoot, I think like pre-wedding. Oh my gosh. Yep. So this is the Japanese Friendship Garden. And that is Balboa Park from here. All right. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I was from there earlier. Like the building in the distance. Oh my god, another plane's coming. So guys, I think that's my adventure today around Balboa Park, and I'm having a little headache now, migraine. I think it's maybe it can be from the heat or from dehydration. I drink less than I usually do because I'm like on the move, right? And but it's been a fun day. I finally ended up in the museum in Balboa Park, and all good except maybe I'm just gonna chill out and looking for a spot to watch sunset. Thank you so much guys for watching. I appreciate it, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.